Hello guys, come and clean my toilet with me. So with me here I have Domestos all-purpose cleaner or multi-purpose cleaner. So I'm going to put some Domestos inside my toilet. I normally prefer mixing Domestos with the handy Andy like when I get. So now I'm going to open my handy Andy, put some handy Andy to make a mixture. So I'll use my brush to clean my toilet. I'm using one hand because the other one is holding the phone. So as I'm cleaning my toilet, it should be clean. So now I am done. So I need to flush the toilet. You see, I'm still holding this brush. So now I flushed my toilet. I also need to rinse this brush again using the same water from the flushing system. So yes, I am using only one hand, guys. So I'm kind of struggling here to hold my phone and my brush at the same time and to flush again. So now I will flush more over. You see, now it's clean. My toilet is now clean. So I'm just going to use a wet dam to clean the seat, and I'll also put some handy Andy inside it. So now this is my wet dam cloth. I'm cleaning my toilet seat, and I will also lift it up because this is the normal dirty part. This one is dirty more than any other part of the toilet. You see? So now I'm cleaning it, and I'm also using my gloves. You see? So I continue with the dry cloth. I continue because now this part is very clean. So I can lift down my toilet seat again. So I clean it, I wipe it, you see, I wipe it so nice. Now I'm using this part. I need to clean it, to wipe it with this cloth again, because you should clean the whole toilet. So now I think I am done with my sick toilet. So now I am done. My toilet is super clean. So I'm also going to use some dark toilet gel. I removed the packaging long time ago, but this is my toilet gel that I'm going to use. So I'm going to put inside my toilet to make it smell good and fresh. So now let me wait for it. Okay, remember, you must wait for your toilet to be dry so that it can stick for a long time. And then I'm going to just the once off. You see, it's nicely sticked. So I'm not going to flush it now. I'll leave it for a few seconds before I can flush it. I need to place this to the cupboard or put it back because I still need to remove this from the gel. You understand? So I'm using this thing at the back to measure my gel. So I'll be using once of I think in a week I use one of this. It lasts up until how many flushes, I'm not really sure. Yes, I think I'm done. So I need to press my flushing system. You see, it's nicely stuck over there. Okay, so now my toilet fresh. I mean my toilet smells so fresh, and this is lavender, a lavender gel. So guys, thank you so much for watching me clean my toilet. Thank you.